Traders, Mark here. Let's do another video just to explain it again. We're waiting for this blue MA to cross this yellow MA for a call because the red MA is above them both. So when that sets up, I'll come back. I'm back. I had to change currency pairs. It was just taking too long, so yeah, I expected that one actually to be the one, but it's not, as it hasn't crossed. So pause it again and I'll wait for another 2 minutes. Alright, we'll go in this time. Touches. We're in. 2 minutes, see what happens. I won't pause it, I'll just let it run. Time's running down here. And trade's there, as you can see. And you can see it over here. So it'll probably pop in out a few times. But 8 times out of 10 it's an ITM, so it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple way of doing things. I think it's a great way to trade binary options. Not more else I can say. So I'll just let the trade run down for another minute and a bit, and we'll see where we end up. Not this time, guys. We'll go again. It's fully crossed through this time, so it should be right. Sorry about those ads, they're driving me nuts. If anyone knows how to get rid of them, send me a message please, because I have no idea how to stop them. And there we go. So we had a win that time. Okay, I hope that's helped. Take it easy. Thanks.